Have you ever thought that this spice could be one of your most beloved allies? Today we will talk about this magical spice, how it works, and all its benefits to your health. So stay tuned. What are cloves? Cloves are aromatic flower buds from the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. Native to Indonesia, cloves have been used for centuries in various cultures for their medicinal properties, culinary uses, and even as a natural preservative. They have a strong, pungent aroma and a slightly sweet, bitter flavor that can add depth to both savory and sweet dishes. Cloves are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some of the key components include vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and manganese. Additionally, cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound that contributes to their potent medicinal properties. What would happen if you chewed one clove daily? Chewing one clove daily can provide a multitude of health benefits due to its powerful compounds. Here's what you can expect. Improved digestive health. Cloves can stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which aids in better digestion. They also help reduce gas, bloating, and stomach discomfort. Enhanced oral health. The antimicrobial properties of cloves can help fight off bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath, preventing cavities, and promoting overall oral health. Boosted immunity. The antioxidants in cloves help boost the immune system, making your body more effective at fighting off infections. Reduced inflammation. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and pain in the body. Better respiratory health. Chewing cloves can help clear the respiratory passages, making it easier to breathe and potentially alleviating symptoms of respiratory conditions. Does clove provide antimicrobial properties? Cloves are renowned for their antimicrobial properties, primarily due to the presence of eugenol, a bioactive compound that can effectively combat various pathogens. Eugenol disrupts the cell walls and membranes of bacteria, leading to cell death. This makes cloves particularly effective against a range of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. For instance, chewing cloves can help reduce the bacterial load in the mouth, combating oral pathogens responsible for cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Additionally, eugenol has been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful fungi like candida, which can cause infections in the mouth and other parts of the body. Cloves also contain other compounds like beta-caryophyllene, which further enhance their antimicrobial efficacy. These compounds work synergistically to provide a broad-spectrum antimicrobial effect, making cloves a natural alternative for maintaining oral hygiene and overall health. Can clove help with H. pylori? Helicobacter pylori or H. pylori is a type of bacteria that can infect the stomach and is a common cause of ulcers. Cloves can be a natural remedy in managing H. pylori infections. The eugenol in cloves has been shown to have antibacterial properties against H. pylori. It works by disrupting the bacterial cell membranes and inhibiting the enzyme activity necessary for the bacteria's survival. Additionally, cloves help in reducing the inflammation caused by H. pylori infection, promoting healing of the stomach lining and reducing symptoms such as gastritis and peptic ulcers. Regular consumption of cloves can help maintain a balanced stomach environment, preventing the overgrowth of H. pylori and promoting better digestive health. What is MAO? Monoamine oxidase, also known as MAO, is an enzyme responsible for breaking down neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine in the brain. This process regulates mood and emotional responses. There are two types of MAO, MAO-A and MAO-B. Inhibition of these enzymes can lead to increased levels of these neurotransmitters, which can positively affect mood and cognitive function. How does clove inhibit MAO? Cloves contain bioactive compounds that can inhibit the activity of monoamine oxidase enzymes, particularly MAO-B. This inhibition can lead to increased levels of neurotransmitters like dopamine, which play a crucial role in mood regulation, motivation, and cognitive function. By inhibiting MAO-B, cloves can potentially help manage symptoms of depression and other mood disorders. This effect is similar to how certain antidepressant medications work, but cloves offer a natural alternative with additional health benefits. Can clove work as an anti-inflammatory? Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. Cloves have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help manage and reduce inflammation. The primary anti-inflammatory compound in cloves is eugenol, Eugenol inhibits the activity of pro-inflammatory enzymes and cytokines, reducing the production of inflammatory molecules. This helps in alleviating pain, swelling, and redness associated with inflammatory conditions. Regular consumption of cloves can help manage chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel disease, promoting overall health and well-being. How to enhance clove properties. To maximize the health benefits of cloves, consider the following tips. Combine with other spices. Spices like turmeric and ginger have complementary properties that can enhance the effects of cloves. Use fresh cloves. Fresh, high-quality cloves have higher concentrations of beneficial compounds. Pair with healthy fats. Consuming cloves with healthy fats such as those found in nuts and avocados can improve the absorption of fat-soluble compounds like eugenol. Add to meals. Incorporate cloves into your cooking, such as in soups, stews, and teas, to enjoy their benefits regularly. By chewing a clove daily and incorporating these tips, you can harness the full spectrum of health benefits that this powerful spice has to offer. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, the powerful properties of cloves make them an incredible addition to your daily routine, offering a wide range of health benefits. By understanding the full scope of what this humble spice can do, we can appreciate its potential to enhance our overall well-being. Cloves, with their rich nutrient profile and bioactive compounds, serve as a natural remedy for various health issues. Chewing one clove daily can significantly improve digestive health by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes, reducing bloating and gas, and promoting better overall digestion. This simple habit can also enhance oral health, thanks to the antimicrobial properties of eugenol, which fights off bacteria in the mouth, preventing cavities and reducing bad breath. The immune-boosting properties of cloves are another remarkable benefit. The high levels of antioxidants in cloves help strengthen the immune system, making it more effective at warding off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of cloves can also help reduce inflammation in the body, alleviating symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Cloves have a significant impact on respiratory health as well. Chewing cloves can help clear the respiratory passages, making it easier to breathe and potentially relieving symptoms of respiratory conditions. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves also play a role in maintaining respiratory health, reducing the risk of infections and inflammation in the respiratory tract. The antibacterial properties of cloves extend to their ability to combat Helicobacter pylori, a common cause of stomach ulcers. Eugenol disrupts the bacterial cell membranes and inhibits the enzyme activity necessary for the bacteria's survival, promoting a balanced stomach environment and reducing symptoms of gastritis and peptic ulcers. The inhibition of monoamine oxidase by cloves is another intriguing benefit. By inhibiting MAO-B, cloves can increase levels of neurotransmitters like dopamine, helping to manage symptoms of depression and other mood disorders. This natural MAO inhibitor offers a holistic approach to mood regulation, complementing other treatments and lifestyle changes. Cloves' anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to eugenol, make them a potent natural remedy for managing inflammation. By reducing the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, cloves can alleviate pain, swelling, and redness associated with chronic inflammatory conditions, promoting overall health and well-being. To enhance the benefits of cloves, consider combining them with other spices like turmeric and ginger, which have complementary properties. Using fresh, high-quality cloves ensures higher concentrations of beneficial compounds, and pairing cloves with healthy fats can improve the absorption of fat-soluble compounds like eugenol. Incorporating cloves into your daily meals, such as in soups, stews, and teas, allows you to enjoy their benefits regularly. So, the health benefits of chewing one clove daily are extensive and profound. From improving digestive and oral health to boosting immunity and respiratory function, cloves offer a natural and effective way to enhance overall well-being. Their antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and MAO-inhibiting properties further underscore their potential as a versatile and powerful spice. By making cloves a regular part of your daily routine, you can unlock these numerous health benefits and support your journey towards optimal health. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.